In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish or upload photos and videos on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first step is to open your Threads app. So I'm here on my app. I'll open it, log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, to upload or publish any file, just head up here to what's new on your account. Or if you swipe down, you can see a plus. If you tap on it, here you can now write anything, maybe look at this. And because I want to add an attachment of an image or a video, just tap on this file icon and this will take me straight to my gallery. So if it's the first time, you need to give permission to access media, and here you'll be taken to your media gallery. From here, choose the image you wish to upload. I'll choose this, and then once you have selected it, you can go to done. If you wish to select or upload more than one, select all that you wish to upload. For instance, if you want to, just select them by ticking under each. To unselect, you can just tap again on the image and it will be done. Now to upload, tap on done on top here, and this will upload it to your Threads account. Finally, publish it by tapping on post. This will begin processing, and finally our image has been posted. So if I tap on view here, I can see the image that I published is here. So that's how you can upload or publish a file, image, or even a video on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.